Imagine a sleek, state-of-the-art submarine named Ron sent to explore the mysterious depths beneath the Antarctic ice. However, what started as an exciting scientific journey soon turned into a haunting mystery. As soon as Ron discovered something unprecedented, it mysteriously disappeared. So, what exactly happened? Let's dive into this captivating story of exploration, discovery, and the eerie unknown. The journey to the Dotson Ice Shelf, Antarctica, the coldest and most remote continent on Earth, has always held secrets beneath its vast ice sheets. In 2019, scientists set out on a groundbreaking mission to explore one of the most enigmatic regions, the Dotson Ice Shelf in West Antarctica. This massive ice shelf stretches over 30 miles wide, roughly the length of New York City, and sits between two icy promontories, Martin and Bear Peninsulas. Beneath its thick, seemingly uniform ice lies a hidden world of geological mysteries waiting to be uncovered. At first glance, Antarctica might seem like nothing more than a vast expanse of snow and ice, but beneath the surface lies a dynamic, rugged landscape shaped by slow, relentless natural forces. Scientists have long been curious about what lies beneath this seemingly lifeless desert, but gaining access to this remote region has been a challenge. Traditional methods like satellite scans and drilling through thick ice only provided vague insights into the secrets hidden beneath. Enter the submarine Ron. Realizing the limitations of surface-based exploration, scientists turned to technology to bridge the gap. That's when Ron, an autonomous submarine, came into the picture. Equipped with advanced sonar systems, much like how bats or dolphins use sound to navigate and see in the dark, Ron was designed to pierce the ice and navigate the treacherous underwater landscape. For 27 days, Ron tirelessly explored the depths beneath the Dotson Ice Shelf. Over 620 miles beneath the ice, it ventured deeper than anyone had ever gone before. The data it collected revealed a world far more intricate than anyone imagined. Gone were the smooth, uniform ice surfaces, replaced instead with towering ice formations, deep cracks, and bizarre structures stretching hundreds of feet. One of the most captivating finds? Mysterious swirling and teardrop-shaped patterns carved into the ice. These intricate patterns were more than just geological oddities. They were works of art, frozen in time. The secrets beneath scientists were in awe of Ron's discoveries. These swirling shapes and uneven formations weren't mere anomalies. They told the story of how warm water sneaks beneath the ice, melting it from below. Sometimes, this water smooths the ice, while other times, it carves out strange shapes, reflecting the dynamic interactions between water and ice. The Coriolis effect, much like how water spins in a drain, causes these massive swirling patterns to form. However, as fascinating as these patterns were, the implications were equally troubling. Warm water not only shapes the ice, but also threatens the stability of the Dotson Ice Shelf. This massive ice shelf acts as a crucial protective barrier, holding back glaciers in West Antarctica from flowing into the ocean. If the ice melts faster due to these powerful underwater currents, the protective barrier weakens, allowing glaciers to move more swiftly into the ocean. This could lead to rising sea levels, dramatically altering coastlines around the world. The disappearance of Ron. Despite the groundbreaking discoveries, Ron's journey ended abruptly. During a subsequent mission in 2024 to explore the Thwaites Glacier, ominously referred to as the Doomsday Glacier, Ron vanished without a trace. One moment, it was sending back critical data, and the next, it slipped into the abyss beneath 1,500 feet of ice. No distress signals, no final transmission. It simply disappeared. The disappearance of Ron left scientists stunned. Extensive searches involving helicopters, drones, and deep-sea exploration efforts yielded no sign of the submarine. Ron has become the silent guardian of Antarctica's secrets, deep beneath the ice. Beyond Ron, though Ron's fate is shrouded in mystery, its journey wasn't in vain. Scientists have since used this information to piece together a more comprehensive understanding of Antarctica's past. Antarctica wasn't always the icy wasteland we know today. Around 90 million years ago, it was home to lush, temperate rainforests. Fossilized roots, pollen, and spores uncovered from ancient soil samples reveal a world far warmer than what we could imagine today. These findings challenge our understanding of Earth's climate history and its potential to change in the future. A broader perspective. The mystery of Ron adds to a long history of human curiosity about the unknown. From the foggy streets of 1950s London to the Dust Bowl of the American Great Plains, environmental events have shaped our understanding of the world, and sometimes these events have left lasting legacies. In London, for instance, the Great Smoke of 1952 brought the city to a standstill for days, as thick yellow fog filled the streets and claimed over 12,000 lives. Decades later, scientists have recreated that deadly fog, learning that industrial pollutants, especially sulfur dioxide, combined with water vapor to create hazardous acidic fog. The Thirst Island Rescue. One of the most famous stories of survival in Antarctica is that of the crash on Thirst Island in 1958, where 9 men were stranded for over 2 weeks. The ordeal began when their plane, while flying over Antarctica, crashed on a desolate, snowy island. For 13 days, the men were trapped, facing freezing temperatures and dwindling supplies. The story became one of the most remarkable feats of endurance in Antarctic history. They took photos using a brownie box camera they had on the plane and painted big yellow letters on the airplane's wings with the names of the deceased crew members to alert rescuers to the tragic events that unfolded. On the 13th day, a rescue plane finally arrived. Desperate to gain attention, the survivors made as much noise as possible, shouting, waving, and setting fires. However, the plane did not stop. It flew past them, only to return 2 hours later. In a rush, one of the survivors, Robin, used fuel to ignite a pile of flammable materials. The resulting explosion burned his eyebrows, but it successfully signaled the plane to return. The pilot wiggled his wings in acknowledgement before dropping a note attached to a weight. The message was simple: if the men could walk, they should make a circle. If not, they should form a straight line. The journey to safety. With no other option, the men formed a circle and began their journey to safety. They had to walk 10 miles to the nearest lake through deep, snowy terrain. 2 rescuers arrived in a raft to help them paddle to the waiting plane. Upon boarding, they were flown back to the safety of their ship, Pine Island. From there, the survivors were taken to the USS Philippine Sea and eventually returned home. Eco-friendly stations. Belgium's Princess Elizabeth Station exemplifies this progress. It is a futuristic station designed with sustainability in mind. Using sunlight, heat from people, and electrical appliances, the station stays warm even when the temperature drops to -58 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It is built on solid rock and features 9 layers of materials, including wool, paper, and wood, to maintain its warmth. The eco-friendly station also uses wind turbines and solar panels, generating more energy than it consumes. Inside, temperatures remain comfortably around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Brazil's Comandante Ferraz Station. Similarly, Brazil's Comandante Ferraz Station showcases a multi-level structure. The top level accommodates bedrooms, restaurants, and recreational spaces for comfortable living. The middle level houses laboratories and science experimentation areas, while the lowest level provides storage and maintenance facilities, including video conferencing rooms and libraries. The station is raised off the ground to prevent flooding during thaw periods, ensuring that operations continue smoothly year-round. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, press the subscribe button, and also drop your thoughts in the comment section.